That's it, that's it. That's it. That's your lot. No, the tree isn't on fire.
Somebody said the tree was on fire or glowing, but it wasn't.
Oh, it might be a little bit of paper in it, but it's like anything. Don't get too close because it's still a bit.
No, stay in.
Go inside a minute, guys. Go in. Stuff can still go off. It's that little bit up there. And when I was checking that one anyway, I'm not gonna see that little bit of.
Yeah, there's a bit of glow, but it's been raining all day, so it should be.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
That's all right.
What do I owe you? Seriously? Do I owe you?
Piss
You
off.
sure?
Yeah. Anyway, Mum paid for it.
Oh, now it comes out.
Yeah. No, honestly, just do it for Katie and that. Have our friends done this?
No. That went down well.
Good. I'll turn off this camera. Oh, don't say disconnected halfway through that.
No, we'd have carried on. We should carry on recording. We carried on recording anyway. Until you tell it to stop.
Load of rubbish, they're saying.
Yeah.
Absolute load of rubbish.
I'm not
That was
surprised.
brilliant.
I think they didn't expect that, Daryl.
It's only
Honestly.
slightly glowing now. There's a little
But I
slight
remember when I
ember.
looked outside,
Did you
I saw
see a
the
bloody
massive
helicopter's
launcher.
just gone over?
Yeah.
Those ones don't look that big.
Yeah, no, I didn't know if they were getting over the house, the small ones.
They did.
They did.
Yeah. Well, that's port fires, that's what I light them with. Rather than use a lighter.
There's no
you-
one,
Okay.
Actually, there's. I'm just worried about people's This should be right, shouldn't it? 'Cause there's some
Honestly,
embers
I
there.
won't just piss off and leave
No, it's
it.
more, no, it's more that.
I'm stood here because that can go off.
It's not my garden. It's
Yeah,
You did have a extinguisher. I couldn't remember if you.
yeah. Yeah, no, it will. It'll.
No, he's
That
done
was
this.
brilliant.
He's done these
Well
too
done,
many
Daryl.
times.
Well, I've done been doing it for 11 years.
And he wears the proper gear, which is what I like.
what, you
Done-
like you like your Son of Fives outfit?
Well,
Yeah.
I'll tell you what,
No, no.
Carry it out earlier. It was needed.
it does not help you much when
no,
you're
no,
at this
it's
stuff.
fine. It was only a bit of paper.
Oh, just a bit of paint.
Yeah.
I'd double checking that. I'm standing back because some stuff can go off and that lot.
We had one at the Sailing Club go horizontally
Yeah.
years ago.
I haven't go. Like, they're supposed to, those small ones are supposed to go up 250 foot, and I've had them go up like 6 foot.
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah.
No pop.
Yeah. You still can. Yeah, yeah. It goes from 50p to 20p.
It's still on.
Is it still on?
Yeah,
you sure it's not just Bluetooth on?
No, it's recording.
it's flashing
the red
red.
light.
Oh. No, that's not it.
I would like to see the bit. We want to plug the video in to see how
Yeah,
it
I
looked
want
like
to see.
when you
Yeah.
were setting it off. See men. Oh, fire!
That's brilliant.
What's that smouldering away down there?
That's the light.
Just the port fires, that's what I light it all with. These, rather than there with the lighter, you light these, they last for about 5 minutes. You can go around everything.
Just so I got rid of the trampoline.
Oh, I would have got rid of that.
That would have gone straight from
Yeah.
shot number one. Get rid of the trampoline.
Excellent. Well done.
Well done, Daryl. Thanks,
Yeah,
mate.
that's
No
brilliant.
worries. I enjoy doing it.
Katie's very impressed.
Good.
Yeah, she recorded it all. She's going to be very popular at school.
Why is this just still record? Mark, I just turn it off.
You press the. Is there not a button?
There's a button on the back there.
Yeah, that's there.